Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you a quick version of a paper plane cocktail with literally what I had in my pantry. Some people might also add Amaro to this. I'm just using Cappelletti because I love Cappelletti. And it's just a fun thing to do for the holidays if you're having people over or last minute someone stopping by, hanging out with family. It's just a fun thing to do. And it's a little different, so check it out. So I don't have a muddler here, but you can use the butt of a knife. We're just gonna muddle a sprig of rosemary into an ounce of bourbon. So it's basically 1 part bourbon, 1 part fresh lemon juice, 1 part Cappelletti. That's how I'm making this. So this is just to release the oils in the rosemary and get that, oh, it's already coming out. It's so beautiful. And get that flavor. So now we're gonna add 1 part lemon juice and then 1 part Cappelletti. And then we're gonna shake it up, strain it into a glass with some ice cubes, and that's it. Okay, let's shake this up. Little strainer. I put some ice on a lemon wedge. I just always like how that looks. You wanna strain out those rosemary leaves because you don't wanna take a sip and get a raw rosemary leaf stuck in your teeth. Look at how pretty that is though. I like doing more bourbon cocktails in the colder months, and usually they're a little bit heavier, but this is nice and light. Isn't that pretty? Oh, that's so good, you guys. The brightness of the lemon juice, the little muddle with the rosemary really makes a difference, so I would take that extra step. And this cocktail is really beautiful. It has the warmth of the colder months because of the bourbon that's in there, but it also has this kind of bright, fresh from the lemon juice and the rosemary. I would really do that extra step because it makes a difference. And with the Cappelletti, gives it a nice like zing. It's delicious. Let me know what you guys think. I always love hearing from you, of course, so please let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you know when I put up another video. I'll see you guys soon. Cheers.